Hello students, welcome to the Yupp Master Foundation program. So, today we are going to discuss the important topic related to kinematics 1D motion. You all know about these animated lectures, how they are helpful for solving the different problems. Let us see. If you have given the different model problems in IIT mains level, so while you are going to read the problem, you can get that central theme, how it is related to the various formulas, how it is interconnected to different cases, different situations. They are all not at all going to get the direct application of the formulas, they are going to get that different models and they are going to related to two or more concepts, right. Please have a look. Suppose let us say that if you are going to identify this, the situation is going to be identified. Let us say this car, it has been covered the distance S1 in the time t1 seconds with the speed v1, let us assume. Again it has been taken displacement S2 at different time intervals t2 with the speed, right. It is clear. Now let it be having some displacement, that is it has been covered that distance of S3, right. That is what I am telling you. You need to identify the different intervals it has been covered the different distances, right. So, you need to know about this. You have taken the case study, just you will identify that Sn is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the one formula that we can use. So, if you are going to take that, if the body which is already in motion, you can identify that some initial speed. If it has been started from the rest, you have to consider that u is equal to 0. So, they are going to talk about some distance covered by the body at different intervals. Yeah, it is going to taken as, that is, you will take that Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, right. Here distance covered by the body in nth interval. Yes. So, you can easily identify this, right. Here you can put on n is equal to 1, 2 and 3, 4 like that. You can get S1, S2, S3 like that, it is very clear. Suppose it has been identified that 1D motion, the motion of the body has been restricted to move along in one direction, all right. Now, you are taking that u is equal to 0 if it will started from rest position, right. Now, you are going to identify this u is equal to 0. It's very clear. In the problem they have given that the body has been started from the rest and you have to find out the distance covered by the body in the time interval, second time interval, third, fourth, whatever they will give you. Sometimes they are frequently asking that the ratio of the distance covered by the body in the fifth and seventh or whatever it may be, just you will find out that. Here let us assume you can take that S1 is equal to 0 plus a by 2 into 2 into 1 minus 1. So, S1 is equal to a by 2 into 2 minus 1, that is a by 2, all right. Like that you can get the S3 also, S2 also. S2 is equal to a by 2 into, just you will take that minus 1, it is very clear, 3. At the same time you can get this S3, that is a by 2 into 5. So, easily you will frame the relation, that is S1 is to S2 S3, that is equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5, all right. Have you obtained this ratio from this? Yes, it is very clear. This is about that what we are going to take this one, and please take that. Right, you will take this one. This is going to be 1 is to 3 is to 5. This is the basic relation. Now, you can have the different model problems. You may find out that S3 by S4, S5 by S6 or whatever it may be, just you will find out that. Let us see that. So, what will be the ratio of the distance moved by a freely falling body in from the rest in 4th and 5th seconds of its journey? So, easily we can solve this problem, that is we know very well about that in the 4th and 5th one, right. So, you will take that, yeah, time they have given t, sorry, you will take that therefore, that formula is Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, very clear. In case of freely falling body, you are going to get this one, yeah. In case of freely falling body, what our considerations? Let us see. Yeah, a body is going to be freely falling, yes, it is going to get that freely falling body we can take that its initial velocity is going to be 0, all right. So, gradually its speed is going to be increased. While reaching the ground, it attains that maximum. It will increases while it is going to be, identify that it was reaching that ground. What is the variation of the speed? Its speed is going to be varied, increases, just you have to confirm increases. At the same time, you can identify this one. You have to get that maximum height. Maximum height. At maximum height, you have to take that. A body has been taken at maximum height. It is going to be 0. Its final velocity is going to be 0. Easily you will find out that it is the point at which that the final velocity, where the final velocity is going to be 0, it is very clear. That is the maximum height reached by the body. All right, all these are known for their problem solvation. Very clear. Yeah, we will consider freely falling body. In case of freely falling body, its initial velocity is going to be 0. All right, we can go for this one. Yeah, S4 is equal to, simply we have to consider in case of freely falling body, u is equal to 0. So, 0 plus a by 2. Yeah, the freely falling body gets accelerated. There exists a acceleration, that is a, and u is equal to 0. Yes, it is the observation. Now, you can take that, if you are getting that substitution, this is n is equal to 4, that is 4 into 2. Yeah, you will find out that a by 2 to 8 minus 1, this is 7a by 2, all right. Now, you can take that S 5, your aim is going to calculate distance moved by a freely falling body in the 5th second, that is, you will take that, it has been calculated, yeah, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So, you will get that 0 plus a by 2, here you will substitute n is equal to 5, right, minus 1. So, you will take that 10 minus 1, it is very clear, a by 2 into 9, right. Just you have to get this one. Now, you will find out that S4 is to S5, that is equal to, yeah, 7 by 2 into A is to 9 by 2 into A. Just you have to confirm, that is 7 is to 9, easily we will find out that. So, this is a simple problem, just you can solve the answer. While you are going to take that another model problems, what type of problem that we can discuss? Yeah, an object is moving with a initial speed, that person has been applied the brakes, a car has been moving with its initial speed, he has been applied that brakes to stop the car, after some time it has been stopped at a distance, okay, all right. Suppose that same car is going to move with different speed, he has been applied the brakes in the interval of the time, where does it has been stopped by the distance? That is the question you have to identify, right. We will take that stopping distance, yeah, stopping distance depend on speed. Please take this one. Right. Simply you are going to take this problem to solve the problems which are based on the stopping distance. In case of a moving object has been stopped at different speeds. Let us see the car which is going to be moving in, yeah, it is going to be moving, right, all right. You can take this, it has been covered the distance x meters, or we are going to take that x kilometer per hour or meter per second, what we will see. Just we are going to take that kilometer per hour in the general case, right. The speed is going to be v1, all right. It is going to be taken x is the distance. Now, I am telling you, if you are going to take that, it has been, its speed is going to be increased. Let us see, speed is going to be increased and it has been applied the brakes. So, this is the stopping distance. Let us assume, right. Here we would like to get this is also stopping distance. All right. Okay, what we are going to take the problem, what we are going to accept the different kind of the problems, right. In second time it is going to be moving the same car, moving with a different speed v2. Yeah, it has considered the time interval. Okay, it is the same, the time interval is going to be same. Within the same time, the speed has been changed. Suppose you have taken that 4 seconds, within another 4 seconds. Just in first case and second case, you have been differentiated with respect to the speed only. Speed v1 is not equal to speed v2. Is it clear? Yeah, we have seen, right. If you are going to get this, just you can see it has been moved, a stopping distance, and the speed is going to be different, all right. What I am supposed to say that here the stopping distance x is not equal to y, no doubt at all. You need to solve the different model problems in the calculation of stopping distance, and if it has been stopped at a distance of that y meters, at that time you need to calculate what is the speed of the car. After applying the brakes, it has been stopped at a distance 10 meters or 5 meters, what they have given. So, then you have to find out that the speed of the moving car, that is very clear, different model they will assign that. First of all, you will understood that case. It is very clear, you are having that crystal clear information regarding to this stopping potential, stopping distance and speed. Stopping potential is for the microscopic particles, where that is in terms of photoelectric effect we will identify. But in this case, the macroscopic bodies are going to be controlled by that human beings by applying the brakes, it is very clear. All right. So, what you have been observed, speed Yeah, you are going to get this. This is V2, this is V1, V2 is greater than V1, V2 is going to be greater than that of V1, all right. At the same time, X and Y has been compared, Y and X are going to be compared with the relation, very clear, Y is greater than, like that V2 is greater than V1. At the same time, if you are going to identify this, this is that, yes, what you can say that stopping potential varies with the speed. According to this situation, we can understood very easily. This is Y is greater than X. It is very clear, because V2 is greater than V1, all right. So, we can get the problem solvation by using the formulas. First, you can understand this case study, then only you will solve the different model problems, very easily you will solve the different model problems, all right. Now, that is what I am telling you, please observe first case and second case, at the same time use the suitable formulas, that is you have to use this formula, that is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, very clear. You have been observed that acceleration, all right. Yes, there exists acceleration, no doubt at all. And one more important point regarding to this concept, it has been stopped at somewhere else, its final velocity is going to be 0. Note down, this is very important, please take this one, it is going to be, yeah, let us take that. It is very, very important, it has been stopped, final velocity is going to be 0, right. So, this is 0 simply, straight away you have to take that V is going to be 0, because of that stopping distance, it has been stopped by a particular distance, its velocity is going, final velocity is going to be 0. Shall we accept the problems, yes or no? All are ready, just you are going to take the problem. In this situation, we will accept different model problems. So, let us take one, yeah, it is very clear, it has been taken. Yes, let us see, let us erase some part, we can have, this is very clear, right, all right. Right, all right, all right, yes. Yes, all of you can see that it is very clear, you can take that stopping distance, you can take that stopping distance y, its speed V1, its speed V2. Now, you are having that case study, different case studies, okay. We can use additionally, just we are going to use this formulas, that is V is equal to 0, you know very well about that. Yeah. So, you can use this relation, that is equation of motion, right. Take the problems, just right. A car moving with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, all right, can be stopped by applying the brakes. After at least 2 meter, yes, this is very important. Shall we take this is x, what we have discussed, this is taken as x, okay, right. If the same car is moving with the speed of 80 kilometer per hour, what is the minimum stopping distance? This is very clear. So, you will take that case 1. Yes, we will take that case 2. In the first case, we are going to take that speed is 40 kilometer per hour. The second case, speed is 80 kilometer per hour, all right. Now, what is the stopping distance? It is, yeah, that is 2 meter. Here stopping distance is equal to question mark. Here stopping distance is equal to question mark. You have to solve this problem very simply. You will take this, yeah, we have to take that equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We are going to apply that equation of motion. We can easily solve that. Okay, right. Simply just you have to consider 0 square, because v is equal to 0, all right. Now, we are going to take this 0 square minus, what about u, 40 kilometer per hour, it is going to be taken is equal to 2 into a. We do not know that a, we have to find out that, because there exists acceleration. What is that? Yes, that is 2 meter, all right. So, here there is a need of conversion of units, that is kilometer, here the meter is there. It is going to be converted into meter per second, it is easy, right. All right, that is minus 40 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Yes, you will take that. All right. Okay. Yeah, we will ignore about this. Just yeah, that is we will multiply with 5 by 18 whole square, that is equal to 4 into a, let us assume a. Now, you can solve this problem, right, that is 40, yeah, you have to get the some calculations. Right, there is a need of some calculation. You can keep in that square and get that value because it is going to be doubled, the speed is doubled, right, use some part this one. Therefore, minus, yeah, you have to take that cancellation, that is 9 times, so 100 by 9 whole square. Later we will see the units. Now that is equal to 4a, therefore a is equal to, already you have that meter, no, just you have to cancel that 1 meter and it is going to be second square, that is meter per second square, you will get that, no issue at all, we will take that units, it is not a big task. That is a is equal to minus 100 by 9 into 1 by 4, it is very clear. This is that one equation, just let us assume one. Let us go for second one, for the second, yeah, where the second car has been stopped. Let us see, we are going to solve for that second car, second speed, same car, it has that different speeds, very clear. That is, you know, V2 is equal to, we have to take that case 2, we have to take that case 2, that is V2 is equal to, it is moving with 80 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 80 into 5 by 18, 9, just we are going to take that 200 by 9, yes, it is very clear, meter per second, all right. Let us go for this calculation, right, this is V2. Now, we are going to take that equation of motion, that is, sorry, it is moving, yeah, this is going to be u, right, this is u. You will apply that equation for the second car, that is for case 2. Yes, you can take the space, yeah, very clear. Now we are going to take that, this is case 2 we have taken, we are going to take the calculation for this case 2. Car moving at 80 kilometer per hour. Right. So, we have to find out that stopping distance, that is the case. Stopping distance is equal to question mark, is equal to question mark. You have to find out that yes, let it be yes, it is going to be question mark. Now, you are going to apply that equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and you know very well about this, v is going to be 0, that is u is known as, yeah, you know, u is equal to 200 by 9 meter per second, very clear. V is equal to 0, that is minus 200 by 9 meter per second whole square is equal to 2 into what you have to substitute, that A, you are going to substitute that A, already we have find out that A value, it is very clear, that is minus 100 by 9 whole square into 1 by 4 into, yes, you have to take this one, yes, it is going to be measured. Alright, are you getting this point? Just you can have the calculation, very simple, you have been approached that calculation, easily you will take that. Alright, let us go for some calculations, we will do that. It's very clear. So, you can take that cancellation of minus sign, first of all, it's better, and you can keep, that is 2 into 2 square into 100 by 9 whole square, that is equal to 2 into 100 by 9 whole square into 1 by 4 into S. Straight away you can get the cancellation, this is going to be cancelled, this is going to be cancelled, and you have that 2 times. So, have you obtained, that is 4 is equal to S 1 by 2 into S, finally you have getting this one, that implies S is equal to you can get 8, that is in terms of, after getting that units, just you will take that S is equal to 8 meters. So, see that answer which is suitable for you, right. This is the correct answer for this one. In this given question, you may get the speed of the car, same car, if it has been stopped by 8 meters, easily you will find out that, it is not a matter, you can also calculate this one. So, this is a case we can have that, we have to accept the different model problems to have the perfection, right. Let us go for another problem. It is very clear that I hope so, just you can see, yeah, it is moving, okay, its speed is going to be decreased, I hope so. It has been covered that distance, yeah. Here you will take that V1 and yeah, this is V2, okay. It is very clear, is going to be V1, V2. We will get that deceleration case, very clear, no doubt at all. Let us have some problems. So, a driver decreased the speed of car from 20 meter per second to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds, simply it has been applied the brakes, all right. So, find the acceleration of the car, simply you will get this, this is u and v, just v minus u by t, simply you will get this, a is equal to yeah, you will find out this, yeah, what about v, 10 meter per second by 25 meter per second and 5 seconds. Just you will get that A is equal to minus 15 by 5 meter per second square. So, you can take that 3, this is the correct answer. So, in this way we will discuss all the problems.